Hello guys, welcome to another, well, this one's my first Animal Company vid, but I have more, and I haven't recorded it, and
If you don't tag me in this one, I'm going to seriously hurt you. You didn't tag me in the last videos.
I did, it's in the description!
Why not the title? Am I just not
Guys.
that important to you?
Yes.
Going to heaven.
No, you're coming down to hell. My camera, so now when I record off my headset, it's not like a big square, but it's a landscape.
Bro, give me my umbrella back.
I also
There
have
you go.
Zesty Ranch, that's our sponsor, guys. It's Veggie Straw Zesty Ranch. Just kidding. Rock.
There you go.
Oh my god! Oh,
I played,
shoot.
oh, wait, and we're gonna need this thing. Hey, where the hell did you go? Oh, come here.
I'm going on an adventure! It's now the day bleed! And the night fall! And you're not here to get me through it all!
Come here, no, don't go in there, don't get in there. You're gonna get absolutely diddled in there. I'm gonna bring some
What if I
dynamite.
want to get diddled?
Okay, stick to the roof.
I-
Come on. There you go. Come on, where did you go? Oh,
I just try to
Come
get,
on.
like, destroyed.
kid scram here. You're not gonna like this
Bro,
one bit.
I hardly ever scream. Alright, I have to find something.
Oh god.
I don't know.
Oh, that doesn't look promising.
What? Now you're down here with me now.
You want me to drop my flashlight?
Leave the flashlight for now.
What is this place? Just use your grappler to swing.
What?
Have you ever seen that game where where the more times you go down, and it's like basically the same thing, it repeats itself, and the more times you go down, it changes. It reminds me of that.
Well, we hit rock bottom.
Can we stick to the roof with this? This is getting promising. Yo, it's kind of like a slide.
Yeah, how come I hear piano.
Oh, what is that thing? Oh, there's another one right there.
That looks
What?
like FTP.
That's what I thought. Okay, we're gonna try to. We're going.
I heard something. I feel like I heard it chase me.
Yeah, don't worry. We have these. They're grapple blades. Yo, I'm pretty sure that's what we need to grab. Ah, God! Come back up here. Come back up here. You're not gonna believe what I just found.
Oh, by the way, if you haven't noticed or couldn't tell, this is like my third time ever playing Animal Company.
Oh. Here, I'll just bring this. I'll drop him down. I'll drop him down. Wait, but first I want to find one of those things.
That's because of the grapple blade.
There's 3 of those over there. I shot him with the rocket launcher. It failed. Oh wait, where's the grenade at? Bro, look what I found. Grenade. Don't worry, I didn't pull the pin. Oh god. Ah! Oh shoot. Oh, we're here. Yo, where are you at? Yeah, we're in hell. No, this is like I've been here. I know. That's not. Oh.
Oh.
That's not really a setback. That'll allow me to get show you. We're gonna go around to the. Are you down? Oh. Hello?
Dude, I heard something.
Yo, we're playing roulette. We're gonna play roulette. Come here. Ah! We're playing roulette. One of these backpacks has dynamite and the other has so here. I forgot which one.
I love gambling with my life.
I'm just gonna so you just go ahead and pick one. Pick one. Ah! Hello? You didn't come down, did you? Hello?
I'd rather not answer that question.
If you don't come down now. Where are you? What was that? Did you just like send 3 things down? Okay. Come on. Follow me, we'll all be good. Oh god!
You wanna play catch?
Catch.
What?
Grab my hand. Come on.
Oh,
Bye bye. Yo, watch out, dynamite, dynamite.
What?
I'm throwing dynamite, I'm throwing dynamite.
In my bed. What was that? Hey. Is this dynamite?
Oh, I killed it. Guys, I don't think I'm allowed to be in here. It's flashing red lights. I think I'm gonna head out now. Ah! I'm stuck.
Got one in there?
Oh, ow! Michael, don't leave.
Hey, you okay in here?
I didn't die.